Good morning, sir.
Morning, mate.
We're back.
We are, after a long weekend.
Yes.
It was a long weekend. It was nice. Because last week was full on to get a car ready for TT. Not because it's racing at TT, but because it had to be there.
Yep.
So that was the car for OMG. So there's bits and pieces to come out on social media about that, but literally I delivered that Friday. They made their ferry by like 5 minutes. That's why I meet them at Frankley Services. This is Paul and Alan who own and run the team, and then they raced up to Liverpool and to get on a ferry. I drove Alan's car back to his house, got on a train, and got home at 5 to 11 at night. So
Long day.
Yeah, it was a long day. So let's go through the intro, and we'll see what's behind you.
Yes.
Yeah, it's behind you. Yeah, let's see what's behind you.
Here we are.
Porsche.
Oh, that is nice.
992 Turbo S. Done a load of these now.
That is lovely.
I think it's slate grey. I think. But if I'm wrong, tell me in the comments below.
Yes.
I don't know. It's black and grey. What more do you want from me? It's this, Porsches call them spiders? Cabriolets? Soft tops? I don't know. In Audi, it's a spider. So, yeah, these are mega fast. And we make them faster.
Yes.
So this is having JCR, rear exhaust full system, and then we will breathe some magic. So yeah, should be pretty cool. But I think the button opens a roof dab.
Let's have a look.
How factory is that, mate?
How fast is that?
That is actually.
Mate, job done. Rapido.
I'll take it. Seats are nice.
Yeah, they're lovely, aren't they?
Interior is lovely. You seen the emblem on the armrest?
All the details.
Yeah, got engine bits. You catch some B-roll, I'll get my deliveries.
He's back.
I'm back. I had to get a box. So, yeah. Mate, they're tricking, they?
Yeah.
They're so fast. They're so fast. Only other thing that would rival this, at the box, stock, is a 720S. And obviously it's 765. But these are redonkulously fast. And when we put an exhaust on, they sound mega. So we'll get we'll do a little blippy blip in a minute if we can, without giving a number plate away. Oh, hay fever. I know. But then yeah, when they've got pipes on them as well, they sound mega. So yeah.
Lovely job.
I know. I wouldn't have a spider. I'd have a hard top.
Yeah, me too.
But
yeah, got the right weather for it today.
we have, mate. I really like them seats. They remind me of the old like GTI. What was it? 25 editions.
Like the original Golf GTI seats.
Well, yeah. I'm too little for them. No, yeah, too young for them. I don't remember them. But I remember like the edition 30s.
And I think
when they redid them.
Original 911s, we're talking sort of 70s. They had that.
It's a big singer,
Area.
not swinger, singer thing now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, no, it's cool.
Lovely. Right.
What else?
That's it. End the video.
Done. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time. I
think outside.
I think 2 more have turned up.
Yeah.
Other than that, not much else. We got another one in for a clutch. We've got 2 for running problems. There's an R8 behind you that broke down, so we got to fix that. But let's go in and have a wander around because New Boys started.
Oh. Right.
Should we say hi? Say hi, new guy.
Hi, how are you doing? Okay?
Hello.
This is Matt. Everyone. Matt. Everyone.
How are you doing? You alright?
How you doing, bud?
Yeah, all good, thanks. Yourself?
All settled in?
Yeah, getting there. Yeah, on the first job, so straight away to it.
So, pinched him from Ferrari. So if you've got a Ferrari, bring it here. Matt will fix it. And Maserati. You Maserati, weren't you?
Yeah, Maserati as well,
Yeah. So the idea is he's got a lot of challenge car experience, which again builds into now we want to start doing more track support stuff. Because we like tracks.
We certainly do.
Do like tracks.
And if you haven't already seen it, check out the track day
The
video.
track day video. Yeah. Someone crashed.
Hang on. Do we know who that was at all?
Oh, it was me.
Yeah, that happened. And then the rest of the bike videos to come out as well. So that's all right. We have a Noble open day on Saturday. So I think they're all going to come and laugh at my car.
Hang on, so a Noble open day?
Yeah, they're all coming down on Saturday to laugh at my car. So obviously last week we said we were going to strip the body off. I haven't stripped the body off. I had to get cars done last week. I've got an engine to finish this week, and then we're going to pull the engine out. But I think that'll be a me thing, and we'll film it like what we did with RS3 and stuff, because you can't sit there for days on end and watch me take an engine out. I mean, really? Can't
There's
get
always
staff.
one.
Yep. So we've already arranged a company who will basically dip it, and then they use like this electrolysis plating, so rather than powder coating. So it's a company well known for that, so we need to do that. But I need to line up the clamshells before, so that's fine. The red twin turbo's gone. When it left, it wasn't red anymore, but I don't want to give that away yet.
So it's still top secret?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, until the team have released it,
Yeah.
I won't say anything. So once they've done it, we'll put it on our socials. That's fine. Carl's building McLaren heads. Jordan's doing the Lotus. Mitch is finishing Martin's job. Matt's doing service. And I think that's about it.
That's enough for now, isn't it?
There's an Atom and dyno, which we'll show you, which that's going to be a video, but we'll show you. Actually, let's wander down and show you that.
Let's do it. It looks tiny.
Whoa, that's a bit personal, Dav. Christ, you sound like Kate.
Look at it.
So, this is MSVR car, or an ex-MSVR car. They were gas powered. It's got, I'm sure it's a Sardev sequential box, Pectel electronics, K20 naturally aspirated. It's pretty baller spec for what it is. It's quite trick. So because it used to run an LPG, we've just got to tidy up the tuning. So I've been able to talk to bits of the car, and then I've had to rummage under it. Honestly, this morning, mate, it was hilarious. I had my feet out the top and I was underneath with the torch trying to get to where the comms lead is, because there's no wiring diagrams because it's a complete motorsport chassis. So we've managed to pin out the comms connector so we can talk to bits of it and not other bits, and then talk to Dash and not talk to that. So we've sorted bits. So he's going to take it away tonight, go and test our changes at Castlecombe, let us know what he thinks, and then we can get back into the rest of it then and change other bits. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's fully sequential box, air shifters.
Nice.
So you start it up, so it's flappy paddles.
Look at that.
Yeah, but it's just a few little things where, like, he said to me, the steering feels a bit float, so it's like the boss is a bit worn.
Yep, a bit of play.
So it's not, there's just a few little bits. Obviously, whereas the driving experience car, it's just a little bit tired. So we'll have to sort the boss out for him, the quick release boss, so it's a little bit more positive.
Yeah.
Just go through the fueling top to bottom, because there's no Land Probe, like I said, it was on LPG. And he doesn't like how it feels, so we've put a setting into it. I'll get him to try it, and then we'll see how his personal taste is. Because the problem with these is you give him a load of front end, and the back just wants to, back doesn't, either you can't get the back in, or the back comes around too much.
Yeah.
So you've got to play with that. So yeah, and then Matt's getting the Ferrari in after he's finished that service.
Okay.
But we've got to show you what my present off Carl was, haven't we?
Yes.
Let's go to the office and go and have a look.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, it's cool. So, I had 2 presents this week. It's like my birthday.
You've been a lucky boy.
Mike Beamish, very, very kindly, sent me this through Amazon. So, for those of you that like watch me when I'm in the engine room and I can't get my socket off my tool, I use a little screwdriver, and he sent me this little thing. And he's like, apparently, it's amazing at getting sockets off. And it's amazing, so I'm going to have to literally, you know, like a barman carries around a bottle opener on his belt.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to do that now, aren't I? So that is really thoughtful. I'm chuffed with that. So that's going to go in the engine room. So thank you very much, Mike. That's lovely. And then Carl comes in with the box this morning. So he bought me a present. He didn't need to. He certainly didn't need to. But like with everything we did where he was off poorly, Mate, a Lego V10 engine. How cool is that?
Look at that.
That's trick, isn't it? So it's from this company, and they literally they take Lego parts. Honest to God, you have no idea how close a resemblance that is to a V10 out of an R8.
And this
Like,
isn't. Sorry,
that's it. So alternator, the bypass water pump over the top, crank pulley, 4-wheel drive shaft, the front water hose out of the water pump, aircon compressor, the vacuum canister under the inlet manifold, right? 2 throttle bodies, oil filter housing, mate. Like, how trick is that? Yeah, the headers, cam variators, little coils, even with the red stacks on them. Look,
They've thought of everything.
mate. Honestly, that is amazing. So go check these guys out. Thank you very much to Carl. That's lovely. So that's going to go on the desk.
So we'll put a link in the description.
Yeah, go check them out. They've done one, mate. One of their videos is they've made a Lego Mini and they've done a K20 engine conversion on it.
Oh yes.
Honestly, that is trick. So yeah, I'm feeling quite loved today.
Very nice.
Wait for the comments to shut me up on that one. So what have we got this week now? We'll finish out. That goes. I've got an engine to finish, and then I've got to get my bike sorted, ready for racing later in the month. Get Noble done because we've got our open day on Saturday, so we need to have a bit of a tidy up this week.
So we'll get some bit video of the open day.
Yeah, I think so.
Up.
We'll try to.
Yeah.
And then what else? Next Tuesday we've got a cool video to do, haven't we?
Yes.
We're not here, we're out.
We can't talk about that
no,
yet.
we won't say anything, but that should be quite cool. What else we got going on? Something.
Lots of stuff.
Yeah, it'll be alright. TT's on. So,
Yeah.
what's gone on at the TT? Boys, from a standing start, Michael Dunlop done a 131 mile an hour lap from a standing start.
Nice.
So it's hot out there in a minute, so lap time's going to go crazy. I still think Hickey will do the big bike races. I think Davey Todd will do a stocker race. Little bikes, Michael Dunlop always pulls a little bike race out of him. Lee Johnston's hurt himself bad, so we went to Lee Johnston's Cadwell track day. So if you know who he is or you like the bike stuff, go to his Instagram, just send him some love, because he's in a bad way, bless him. He come off at Northwest. You can't write Hickey off. Hickey could certainly do the 4 big bikes races. He's just got it in him. That boy rides that like no one else I've ever seen. Hillier's over there, James Hillier's over there on OMG stuff. So obviously Alan, Paul and the OMG team are out there running James Hillier. So they're all R1s. So they'll be in the 2 stocker races and 2 superbike races. I think James is riding R6. But I don't know what team he's riding for, I can't remember. Who else? Dom Herbertson's a cheeky little tip for small bike. So I think he'll do quite well. He's riding a mini twin. So I think he'll do all right on that. He's a quick lad. Watch out for Jamie Coward. I raced him at Coombe a couple of weeks back and we were on Lee Johnston's tractor with him. He's pretty handy. He's fast. So it'll be interesting. Good to save 2 weeks of racing. That's what we want.
Yeah.
That's what we want. It's the most amazing bike racing place on the planet and also the worst. I lost enough friends over there. So no more, thanks.
Yep.
And then that is about it, I think.
For now.
Yeah.
So we've got other videos coming up that we've already shot. We're just waiting to
Track day stuff, haven't
drop.
we? Yeah. A couple of walk-arounds on some cars. But we've tried to mix it up a little bit what's going on in here as well and some of the technical stuff. So engine's finished for Josh's bike. Oh, there we go. Engine's finished for Josh's bike. So Paul at Paul Curran, OMG, PCR, they've done an engine for him. So we've got to go and pick that up. We've got throttle bodies, again, from Paul. We need to sort kit ECU now, and we need to sort an airbox. So if anyone's got a 2020 airbox down the back of the sofa, let me know. It is different from a pre-2020 bike, they're different. But it's close, that bike's close. So it'll be all right, we're nearly there. Get rid of some cars.
Lovely job.
Yeah, I think that's about it.
Good stuff. Well, you can go back to playing with your Lego V10.
I know, mate, honestly, that is amazing. I love that. So yeah, I'm gonna go and play my Lego.
Nice.
And I will see you in about 10 minutes when we do the Atom video. Laters. Smash buttons. Don't forget.